Welcome! Today we'll explore the inside of a four-cylinder engine in stunning slow motion. Every moving part works together. This creates the power that moves our world.
The engine block is the heart of the engine. Inside each cylinder, the piston moves up and down with incredible precision. The crankshaft converts the piston's up and down motion into smooth rotational power.
The camshaft opens and closes the engine valves with perfect timing, helping the engine run smoothly and efficiently.
The intake valve opens, allowing fresh air and fuel to enter the cylinder. The piston moves upward, compressing the mixture to prepare for ignition. At the perfect moment, the spark plug ignites the compressed fuel-air mixture. Fuel ignition creates pressure that pushes the piston downward, generating the engine's power. This is called the power stroke, where fuel energy is transformed into mechanical motion.
After combustion, the exhaust valve opens to release the burnt gases.
These four strokes repeat thousands of times every minute while the engine is running.
The cooling system removes excess heat and keeps the engine at a safe operating temperature.
Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reducing friction and preventing wear. The timing system keeps the crankshaft and camshaft perfectly synchronized. Every moving component works together in perfect harmony to deliver reliable power. Thousands of precision-engineered parts come together to create one powerful and efficient machine.
Now you've seen exactly how an engine works from the inside. Follow AI Tech Byte for more amazing machine animations and engineering secrets.
The turbocharger forces more fresh air into the engine, increasing power and improving efficiency.